Ella! Who's wearing their special robe from Aunt Christina and Ben? Uncle Ben. Oh, and it's cashmere. Ooh, yeah. Hey! Who's got funky hair? Who's got some funky hair? Hi. Hi. You like that? Okay, we'll comb your hair and then we'll take more. What? What? Ooh. Fancy. Does that feel good on your skin? You just had a nice bath? Who's this? It matches. Want it? Oh, that's cute. I just put Ella in her brand new jumper for the first time. Ooh. And look at her go! Let's see, Ella. Jump. Jump for everybody. Look at all those toys. There she goes. Look at, she has a spinning thing. And you can put those. Oh, there she goes. Oh, look. Yeah! Let's turn this on. What's that? Huh. Oh, it needs batteries, that's why. You like that? Yeah. Should mommy go put batteries in so you can hear the music play? I wonder where that goes. Which one? Which one should I play with? I haven't even turned on the music yet. You want to see what's on the other side? Should we turn you around? Okay. Let's see. Look, all you have to do is turn the seat, okay? You want to turn around? You just turn the seat around.